What's up, guys? We're Killer Outdoors, and today we're going to be fishing in this pond for some largemouth bass. Here we go. Got him. Here we go. First cast, first fish. Grab. Broken line. Not a bad one. First fish of the day. Here we go. Got him. Oh, it's a little baby. Blug. I thought it was a bass at first. That's a pretty big bluegill right there. Come here. Not bad, little bluegill. I'll take it. In case you're wondering, I'm using a white fluke with the Texas rig. A lot of times it works good in this pond. And so far it's doing pretty good, so let's see how it continues to do. Oh yeah. This one's a bass. Little guy. Putting up a fight though. Yeah. Oh, not bad. I thought it was small. Come here. Not bad. Just keep fishing. See if we can catch some more. Oh, little bass. What? Caught a little one. Wow, can't believe I just caught him. I was about a foot from the bank, and all of a sudden my line, I didn't even set the hook. All of a sudden my line just started drifting out. Come here. Little, but it counts. That's number 4 for the day, I believe. Counting a bluegill, and so we're gonna head up and get something to eat and drink, and we'll be back down here in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. We went and ate. Nice and fueled up now. Gonna stay out here for a little bit longer. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We got some umbrellas and stuff. We'll just try to wait it out if it does. But yeah, let's see if we can catch some more fish. Here we go. Let's do this. So last time I was fishing with a white fluke with a Texas rig, but I got hung up and I had to break it off. Now I'm going to be fishing with a spinnerbait, and it's been raining a lot, so the water's real muddy. So this will give a nice shine and flash, attract a bunch of fish. Let's see how it works. Here we go. Come here. It's a little guy. We got him. Come here. And he came. What? Does that count? Comment below if that should count. Okay?
I'm gonna start out with this little watermelon rooster tail. See if I can catch it.
Oh, he hit it, missed it right here. Alright, we're back at the four-wheeler now. It's starting to rain pretty hard. So we're gonna cover the four-wheeler. Try to sit right here and wait it out. Get back to you in a minute. It's starting to let up. We got the four-wheeler covered with a poncho and an umbrella. And we'll put the other one up if we need to. But it's just sprinkling right now. We can fish in that. We're good. So let's try to catch some more fish. Here we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and be sure to subscribe. Also, I just got a metal detector recently, and be sure to let me know in the comments if you want me to make a bunch of metal detecting videos. And also, if you didn't really like the quality, you should definitely subscribe. That way we can eventually get enough subscribers to make money and then buy a new camera. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe.